Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to add Tango extension to Chrome. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Chrome web browser on your device. Once you open it up, go to the top of the screen and in the URL box type in Tango extension in the search box, and then go ahead and pick on this link that says Saving Time with Tango, the Chrome extension that creates, and once you click on that link, it will take you to this website from where you can click on Install Free Extension button at the top right corner. This will now take you to Chrome Web Store. You can also go to chromewebstore.google.com and directly type in Tango. Once you get to this option, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up, and then you will be able to add the extension. Now, you will be able to install the Tango extension on your Chrome. Click on the extension button at the top right and you will be able to see the Tango extension in the pop-up. If you want to pin the extension to your taskbar, click on Pin and you will be able to see the logo at the top right. Go ahead and create a new Tango account or sign into an existing one. And that is how you can easily install Tango extension to Chrome. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.